Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at 5 of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best tennis racket for beginners. The Head T.S6 tennis racket is a lightweight, power-focused racket designed for beginner to intermediate players who seek easy maneuverability and extra power. With an oversized 115 square inch head, it offers a large sweet spot, making it highly forgiving on off-center shots. This makes it ideal for players who are still developing their skills or those who prefer a more effortless playing experience. Weighing just 252 g, 8.9 ounces, unstrung, the T.S6 is extremely lightweight, reducing arm fatigue and making it easy to swing. Despite its light frame, it maintains excellent power generation due to its titanium and graphite construction, which ensures durability, strength, and stability. The extra-long 27.75-inch length provides additional reach, allowing players to extend for difficult shots while adding leverage for more powerful ground strokes and serves. The 16x19 string pattern enhances spin potential, helping players control shots and add variety to their game. This racket comes pre-strung, so it's ready to use right out of the box, making it a convenient choice for recreational players. The head-heavy balance further enhances power, making it easier to hit deep shots with minimal effort. Overall, the Head T.S6 tennis racket is an excellent option for beginners and intermediate players who want a light, powerful, and forgiving racket. Its combination of lightweight design, oversized head, and power-enhancing features makes it a great choice for casual players looking to improve their game with ease. Number 2. Best tennis racket for intermediate players. The Yonex Ezone 100, 7th Gen, tennis racket is a powerful, spin-friendly, and comfortable racket designed for intermediate to advanced players. With a 100 square inch head size, it offers a balanced combination of power, control, and forgiveness, making it a great all-around choice for players who want versatility on the court. Weighing 300 g, 10.6 ounces, unstrung, the Ezone 100 provides a stable yet maneuverable feel, allowing for aggressive baseline play and quick net exchanges. The 16x19 string pattern enhances spin potential, making it easier to hit topspin-heavy shots and control slice shots. One of the standout features of the 7th generation Ezone 100 is Yonex's isometric head shape, which enlarges the sweet spot for more consistent shot-making, even on off-center hits. It also includes 2G NAM speed technology, a material in the shaft that increases flexibility and snapback, resulting in more power and better feel. The vibration dampening mesh, VDM, in the handle reduces unwanted vibrations, providing a smoother and more comfortable feel on impact. This makes it a great choice for players looking to minimize arm strain while maintaining excellent performance. Overall, the Yonex Ezone 100, 7th Gen, is an excellent blend of power, comfort, and spin, making it ideal for players who want a racket that enhances their offensive and defensive play. Whether you're a baseline hitter or an all-court player, this racket provides the stability, power, and feel needed to elevate your game. Number 3. Best tennis racket for advanced players. The Wilson Blade 98, 16x19 V9 is a performance-driven tennis racket designed for advanced and competitive players seeking precision, control, and spin. With its 98 square inch head size, this racket delivers excellent control and feel, making it ideal for players who rely on aggressive shot placement and strategic play. Weighing 305 g, 10.8 ounces, unstrung, the Blade 98 V9 offers a solid and stable feel, while still being maneuverable for fast swings. The 16x19 string pattern enhances spin potential, allowing for heavy topspin shots and sharp angles. This makes it a great choice for baseline players who like to dictate play with depth and spin. One of the biggest updates in the V9 model is the stable feel technology, which improves stability and responsiveness, giving players more confidence in their shots. It also includes 45-degree technology, enhancing flexibility and feel, ensuring a comfortable and controlled response on impact. The Blade 98 V9 features direct frame-to-string interaction, which increases ball pocketing and feedback, helping players feel more connected to their shots. The ergonomic end cap has been redesigned for better comfort and grip feel, adding to its overall playability. Overall, the Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is an excellent choice for players who prioritize control, precision, and spin. It is well suited for those who play with an aggressive, all-court style and need a racket that responds well to fast, powerful swings. If you are an intermediate to advanced player looking for precision and feel, the Blade 98 V9 is a top-tier option that delivers outstanding performance on the court. Number 4. Best tennis racket for power. The Solinco Blackout 300 is a powerful and spin-friendly tennis racket designed for aggressive baseline players looking for a blend of power, stability, and maneuverability. With a 100 square inch head size, it provides a forgiving sweet spot, making it easier to generate consistent and explosive shots. Weighing 300 g, 10.6 ounces, unstrung, the Blackout 300 strikes a balance between power and control, allowing players to generate fast swings while maintaining stability on impact. The 16x19 string pattern enhances spin potential, making it a great choice for players who rely on topspin and kick serves. One of its standout features is 40T carbon fiber technology, incorporated into the upper hoop of the racket. This helps provide enhanced stability, responsiveness, and energy return, leading to more power and control on each shot. Additionally, liquid crystal technology is infused into the frame, reducing vibrations for a smoother and more comfortable feel. The Blackout 300 also features Power Flex Zone technology, designed to increase dwell time, allowing the ball to stay on the strings longer, improving control and feel. This technology helps players take big swings without sacrificing accuracy. Overall, the Solinco Blackout 300 is an excellent choice for intermediate to advanced players looking for easy power, spin potential, and solid stability. Whether you're an aggressive baseliner or an all-court player, this racket delivers explosive shots with great feel and precision. With modern technologies enhancing power, comfort, and stability, it competes well with other top power rackets like the Babolat Pure Drive and Wilson Ultra. Number 5. Best tennis racket for control. The Wilson ProStaff 97 V14 is a high-performance tennis racket designed for advanced players who seek precision, control, and feel. With a 97 square inch head size, it offers exceptional control and a smaller, more responsive sweet spot, allowing for fine-tuned shot placement. Ideal for players with a more technical and controlled game, the ProStaff 97 V14 is perfect for those who rely on accuracy and consistency. Weighing 315 g, 11.1 ounces, unstrung, the racket provides excellent stability and weight distribution, ensuring that even the hardest hitting shots feel solid and controlled. The 16x19 string pattern offers a good balance between spin and control, giving players the ability to generate both precision and spin on their shots. The ProStaff 97 V14 features graphite and Kevlar construction, providing an exceptional blend of responsiveness and stability. The racket incorporates FEL Flex technology, enhancing flexibility and torsional stability, which improves both comfort and control on impact. This technology allows the frame to flex in a way that maximizes energy return, offering better feel while maintaining precision. With the addition of aerodynamic frame shaping, the ProStaff 97 V14 offers better maneuverability and faster swing speeds, enhancing the player's ability to react quickly and generate aggressive shots. The racket is also equipped with an updated grip design that provides better comfort and a more secure feel. Overall, the Wilson ProStaff 97 V14 is an outstanding choice for advanced players looking for a control-oriented racket that offers precision, stability, and a connected feel. With its responsive construction and performance-driven design, it's an excellent option for players who want to dictate play with accuracy and style.